Kelly, and this is my sister,
Olivia.
and today we'll be making rainbow crystals. Remember, whenever you're doing a science experiment, safety first. For this experiment, we will need super-absorbent polymer crystals. We got our experiments from Steve Spangler's Bucket of Science. We will also need food coloring, red, blue, and yellow, which are the primary colors. Finally, we will also need plastic cups. We also need water. Now it's time to follow directions. Put one fizzy color tablet into each cup. Blue, yellow. Fill each cup with room temperature water. Ooh, it looks like purple instead of red, so. Pour an equal amount of crystals into each cup. Blue. Wait for them to absorb the water.
20 minutes later.
Our crystals have absorbed all the water. Pour in layers of the colors. Prepare for a big mess. I think that's enough red for me. This is the final result. So we have some pinkish red at the bottom. And if you can't see, there's a little bit of orange there, and yellow and some green here, and blue at the top.